sweet, savory, all the things. And I think, are you hungry? I'm hungry. Come on, let's eat. Today we're gonna make some little pork chops on the grill, little itty bitty ones. I'm gonna make them so juicy. So what we have here is some boneless pork loin center cut chops, and they are little itty bitty chops with no bones in them. They were $3.04, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it on the grill. It's gonna be fantastic and juicy without drying them out. Now, they're butterfly, they're really small. We're gonna rinse them and we're gonna get to work real quick. All right, now here's our 2 pork chops. Now, basically what we're gonna do is just take these, and we would pat dry them, but since I already have the paper towel, we're just gonna go ahead and flip them and kind of press them down, take some of that moisture out. Now we're gonna take some of this good Kinder seasoning. This is Butcher's Barbecue Blend Kinders. Now, on the Kinders, they actually say, you know, use it for chicken, pork, and fish right there. So basically, we got some pork, so we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle this on, and that's all we're gonna use today. We're not gonna go with anything else. We're not gonna add anything else. We're just going to put the Kinders on. Now this is gonna taste amazing. It's gonna taste so delicious that there's no reason that we need to add anything else, right? So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit, and then we're gonna flip them over. We're gonna do the same thing, and we're just gonna let them sweat and kind of just let that seasoning kind of absorb into the meat. Okay, so when I did the flip, I got rid of the paper towel because we don't need that anymore. And we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle it over here some more and right here. Now we just wanna let this sit, let it sweat, let it kind of set up. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the grill going right now. And then we're gonna go ahead and cook some stuff. Oh, and you know what? Where's my shot glass? I don't have my shot glass. Well, no shots today, folks. I'm going to be drinking this Michelob Ultra Organic Seltzer Cucumber Lime. Now, why am I drinking it? Because it's better for me. It has 0 grams of sugar, 80 calories, and no carbs. It's just, it happens to be better for me than drinking the shots. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not gonna drink the shots. I'm just not drinking them right now. All right, so let me go ahead and start the grill. I will be right back after I get my drink. All right, so we're back outside again. You guys have, seen my backyard quite a few times. And look, they're still building these houses. They just won't go away. I was hoping that they would just disappear like I was dreaming, but no, they keep building. Oh, look at that sunset, man. Looking pretty cool. Slap one down, take the other one, slap it down. All right, now we're just gonna let them cook for a few minutes. Then we're gonna flip them and cook the other side. Now, what we want is a done temperature, internal temperature of, that's when you're supposed to say what the temperature is, but I didn't hear anyone say it. So 145 degrees, that is pork internal done temperature, but we're gonna cook these to about 150, somewhere in there, because I don't trust that 145 thing that they say. That's like a new thing. It used to be higher. Do a little turn. Do a little turn over here. Let them sit. All right, so we're gonna take these pork chops. We're gonna go ahead and give them one flip here. One flip. Oh man, look at that. Look at that, look how good that looks. So now we're gonna go ahead and break out this sweet chili sauce right here. This is the best thing going. And really, we're just gonna pour it on here like this and make some sweet chili pork chops. Take this, we're gonna go ahead and, woo, ow, so hot. So be quick, ladies and gentlemen, be quick, all right? And go ahead and kind of smooth that around here. Woo, hot. Be quick before you get burned up. All right, now we're gonna flip one time. Boom, hit another one, boom. All right, now we're gonna hit the other side. And then we're gonna let this cook up at 145. 145 over here. Man, look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. Oh shit, look at that. Man, we're gonna eat good tonight. We're gonna eat good tonight. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sweet chili pork chops. That is delicious looking. Holy crap. What are we gonna do with this? I mean, Should we eat it? Yeah, I think we should. Let's go. I mean, it looks great. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Oh, shit. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't it look nice and juicy? Man, I'm telling you, oh man, it smells so fucking good. All right, let's go. If it's going down, let's get it over with. Boy, I love it. I love it. I love it when a good thing comes together. It's so good. It's juicy, it's sweet. It's got nice little savory tones to it. Man, whoo. Man, that's good. I gotta get another. You want one? You want one? I want one. Let's do it again. Sheesh. Look at that. Shit. Look at it. Do another one. Hey, you guys come over here and eat with me. I don't have to eat by myself every day, you know. Man. I gotta go. I'm sorry. The end of the video. This is the end of the video. I gotta go. So like, subscribe, share, do all those weird things that YouTube wants you to do to help the algorithm, to help my channel. But I gotta go. I'm hungry, man. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.